The office Christmas party dress code has changed, but that's good news for your wardrobe, and here's why. This time last year, I was invited to a Christmas ball, and the dress code was strictly tuxedos and smart suits, basically black tie. I ended up experimenting with the tradition of black tie. Instead of a dress shirt with tuxedo, I wore an open neck, show collar shirt inside my dinner suit. I got compliments galore, and it got me thinking. In this video, I'm gonna break down the key pieces in cocktail attire. These include the suit, the jacket, the tops and shirts, the pants, and of course, the shoes and accessories. I'm gonna show you how to dress up, look colorful, festive, and elegant without looking like a relic from yesteryear. Let's be honest, guys, there's very few occasions where you can really go to town and dress up. But a swanky Christmas party represents the perfect opportunity to demonstrate the best of your wardrobe. So let's get right to it. I'd like you to think of cocktail attire as one step up from, say, a night out, and one step down from traditional black tie. So it's black tie without the rules, but it's not something that you would wear on a typical night out with the boys. The suit. First things first, guys, no business suit. Now, there is a difference between a business suit and an evening suit. And I've got two I'm gonna show you now. I've got two suits in my hand right now. This one is an evening suit, or what we call here in England a dinner suit. Those of you in America will call this a tuxedo. And this one is a business suit for more business-orientated purposes. They're both black, but they serve different purposes. And what's the key difference? Obviously, is the lapels. This one has got satin. With menswear, materials always are the key differentiating factor, particularly when it comes to suits. It usually takes the formality of the suit up or down. The more refined the material, the later in the day you wear it. That's generally the rule of thumb. So it's got a more refined material with the silk lapels here, which means that this is something that you wear in the evening, and this is something that you can wear to the office. Do not be wearing your office suit to your cocktail party this Christmas. That's not the way to do it, and I'm going to show you how it's to be done. You want to think of your suit as elevated evening wear. And again, because the black tie rules are gone, you don't have to stick to a black suit. You can add color. When it comes to selecting colors, think jewel tones. So think the colors of jewelry, of gemstones. So you think of ruby, emerald, sapphire. So burgundies, your forest green, your emerald greens, and your rich navy blues. If you're gonna go print, go for a moderate print. Don't go for a lavish print on your suit. Don't be showing up looking like a Christmas tree. Fabric, so you don't have to stick to a cotton blend jacket. Your velvets, it's your silks, it's your corduroys. Texture from the fabric adds that elevated richness, making it look like something for the evening. As normally in a black tie evening event, you wouldn't wear separates, but you can now in cocktail wear. You can wear separates. So you can wear a standalone jacket, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a suit jacket. It can be a jacket. You can play around with the style of jacket that you wear. Breaking from tradition, of course, as I mentioned with the suits, you can play around with velvet and corduroy in terms of textures and fabrics. And a jacket is usually the first thing people notice you're wearing on an evening event. So you can really go to town and express your personality. With pants, again, we've got more room for maneuvers. You can wear cropped pleated trousers if you want to go for a really contemporary look. Chinos are cool for this kind of event, but no jeans or hybrid trousers. That's something that you would wear on your typical night out or on a date, but this is an evening attire, so it's one step up from your jeans and your hybrid trousers. You can choose any neutral color. I think that's great. I wouldn't go for beige or tan though, because Christmas, obviously traditionally, it's more winter wear, more subtle tones. Unless, of course, you're watching this and you're in the Southern Hemisphere where Christmas is blazing hot sunshine. Of course, you can go for your tans and your beiges. In terms of shirts and tops, obviously dress shirts are no longer a must. So you can play around and experiment. A little bit like my example earlier when I wore the show collar shirt. It was something a little bit different, and we have room to do that at a cocktail party. You can wear a really classy looking satin or silk shirt with a vibrant print if you really want to make a statement. And of course, in terms of tops, roll necks look great at cocktail parties. So do knitted polos, and you can go for an interlock t-shirt It's slightly more complicated weave and it looks much more upscale than your traditional jersey t-shirt. You can wear that inside a jacket. It looks great. In terms of footwear, of course, patent lace-ups are no longer mandatory. So they can be replaced by, say, penny loafers. A new trend which I really like is the return of Cuban heels, particularly on Chelsea boots. They look really classy on evening outfits. You can wear minimalist trainers, but please guys, they have to be pretty much brand new and styled impeccably. If you get that wrong, it can literally look really out of place. Accessories is where guys, you can really go to town. From silk scarves, flamboyant pocket squares, and if you really want to go full dandy, you can wear the ascot tie. And you know that pair of cufflinks that your missus bought you a couple of Christmases ago? This is the perfect occasion where you can wear them without looking like you're overdressed. You can also bring out your favorite designer watch. Just make sure that it's not too chunky. It can look odd when it's too chunky in evening wear. And of course, bring out the jewelry. Just don't overdo it because you don't want to be competing with the Christmas tree, guys. Keep it classy. So that's the lowdown on the key pieces of cocktail attire for your Christmas party this year. Remember guys, although we've thrown out the rules of black tie, it doesn't mean the principles of dressing well, we throw them out as well. Fit, proportion, color sense are still vital to get this right. Are you going to a Christmas party this year and are you struggling with outfit ideas? Let me know in the comments and I'm happy to suggest and give you some quick fire tips. In the next video, I'll be giving you some foolproof outfit ideas that you can wear this year. It's one thing getting rid of or breaking the rules, breaking them tastefully is a whole nother thing. But you don't have to worry about that, do you fellas? Because I've got you. So I'll have some foolproof outfit ideas that you can bank on this year. So stay tuned for my next video. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe for plenty more videos like this. Share this with a friend and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.